So let's start to look how you can use the Vlookup and if statement. So what we're going to do here is we have a scenario where we select a fruit, for example the kiwi, and if someone buys a quantity of 10 pieces or more, it will get a discount, or he or she will get a discount. If they buy below 10, there's no discount applicable. So let's start to look how we can do this, and we're going to use the Vlookup for that, and then we have the if statement for getting the right column. So we're going to say here 10 quantity, and then we're going to say here equal sign Vlookup, and we're going to say here open parentheses, and then select here the formula builder. So we have a nice visual, and what we want to do here is the Vlookup value, or sorry, the lookup value in this case will be kiwi. That's the item that the customer will buy. The table array will be the table of data where we can find the answer. So in this case it will be this table here. The column index number is in which column will we extract the value. In this case it is column number 3, so this is column 1, 2 and 3. However, if we have below 10, it should be column number 2. So this needs to be dynamic, and I will show you later on how we can do that. So we're going to put in here column number 3 for now, and then we're going to say here we want an exact match, so we say false for the range lookup. Done. Let's close that, and now you can see here we get a 3% discount. Of course, if I put in 9, so we're buying below the 10 items, we should have a 0%. So to change that, we need to basically go in here, change the column index number to number 2, and then confirm. However, this is not really practical. This needs to be soft-coded. So let's start to explore how we can soft-code it with the if statement, because the if statement will help us to get the right column number. So we're going to say if, and then we're going to say here the function or the formula builder. So we have a visual. So we have here the logical test, and the logical test will indicate if the quantity we bought is smaller than the required quantity for the discount, in this case 10 pieces. If that is true, so it's below 10, we want to grab column number 2, so that's why I say here column 2. And else we want to give it a discount, which is column number 3. Confirm this, and you can see here now it says column 2 because we have a quantity of 10, or sorry, quantity of 9. If I change this to quantity of 10, we get the value number 3. So the logic here is correct, and what I want to do now is I want to copy this logic, go in here on our Vlookup, click on the formula builder, and change the column index number to a more dynamic structure. Remove this equal sign here because that's not allowed, or else you get an error. So once you do this, confirm, you can see here now if I say 9, it changes nicely. If I say 10, it becomes 3, and of course if I change this to banana, hold on, there, banana, you can see we get a 7% discount, and if I make only 3, we have no discount at all.